Financial Planning Rules 50-30-20 are guidelines that help individuals effectively manage their finances by allocating income into three main categories: needs, wants, and savings. The rule suggests that 50% of income should be allocated towards essential needs, 30% towards discretionary wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. The first category, needs, encompasses essential expenses such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. By limiting this category to 50% of income, individuals ensure that they prioritize their basic living expenses and avoid overspending in this area. The second category, wants, covers discretionary spending on non-essential items such as dining out, entertainment, shopping, and luxury items. Keeping this category at 30% of income allows individuals to enjoy some lifestyle enhancements without sacrificing their financial stability. The final category, savings and debt repayment, is allocated 20% of income. This category focuses on building an emergency fund, saving for long-term goals like retirement or education, and paying off any outstanding debts. By prioritizing savings and debt repayment, individuals secure their financial future and work towards achieving their financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule helps individuals maintain a balanced financial lifestyle by ensuring that they cover their basic needs, enjoy some discretionary spending, and prioritize savings and debt repayment. By adhering to these guidelines, individuals can establish healthy financial habits, achieve financial stability, and work towards long-term financial success.